we're going to talk about horses. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna do another motovlog. So today I'm actually going up to Stockholm to go to the Frihamnen 2025 meet, which is tomorrow. And right now I'm going to a friend's house, and yeah, we're gonna ride around a bit today, and tomorrow we're gonna go to the big meet. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So now we're in Tyresö, and we're gonna meet up with my friend. Yes. He has a derby senda, and he's doing the crazy wheelies. Holy shit. So here we have him. Very nice graphics kit. We're gonna do some wheelies, and yeah, we're gonna have a bit fun. Now it's the next day. Okay, so now we're gonna head to a gas station to meet up with some other people. Okay, so now we're here. Okay, so now we're here at the gas station. And yes, there's a lot of people here, and now we're probably gonna go. So now the cruise starts, and we're heading to Frihamnen. Okay, so now we're riding. Now we're in the store and we're gonna buy some drinks. Yeah, there's a lot of people here right now. Yeah, there's so many people here. It's so fucking hot. Du har gjort en video med den här. Du har fan gjort en video med den här. Ja. 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 They're gonna race. Norre Motor, va? Ja, tjena. Now we're gonna race against Norre Motor. Gas station because I'll soon be out of fuel and that's not gonna be very funny, so I'm just gonna go and refuel my bike and then we're gonna go back. Yeah, I'm heading over to Lidingö right now to get some fuel. 5 liters, so yes. Moto. Ja, jag följer er på Instagram. Ja. Ja. Yeah. I love the FMF exhaust. I have a FMF. That's well. Basically my camera died. Yeah, that's why I haven't filmed. So yeah, but it was very fun actually to be at Frihamnen. I might go back later in the summer, because there's gonna be another Frihamnen this year. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.